Welcome to our channel. If you're looking to elevate your shaving routine, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into the top 7 men's shaving kits for a perfect shave in 2024. Whether you're seeking a luxurious experience or practical solutions for everyday grooming, we've got you covered. Let's get started with our expert picks. Number 1. Perfecto 100% Pure Badger Shaving Brush. First on our list is the Perfecto 100% Pure Badger Shaving Brush. This high-quality brush is designed to deliver an exceptional lathering experience. Made from genuine badger hair, it offers superior water retention and a plush, soft touch against your skin. The brush's bristles are densely packed to create a rich lather that helps lift hairs and exfoliate your skin, ensuring a smooth and close shave. The Perfecto shaving brush features a classic design with an ergonomic handle that fits comfortably in your hand. The handle is often crafted from durable materials like resin or wood, which adds a touch of elegance to your grooming kit. Its sturdy construction ensures that the brush can withstand regular use and resist wear over time. Overall, this shaving brush is highly effective in creating a creamy lather that enhances the shaving process. Its quality craftsmanship and durability make it a must-have for anyone looking to upgrade their shaving routine. If you value a traditional shaving experience with a brush that performs exceptionally well, the Perfecto 100% Pure Badger Shaving Brush is a top choice.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Number 2. Clubman Jumbo Styptic Pencil. Next, we have the Clubman Jumbo Styptic Pencil, a first aid device essential for any shaving kit. This pencil is designed to stop minor bleeding caused by nicks and cuts during shaving. It contains astringents that constrict blood vessels, effectively halting the bleeding and promoting quick healing. The Clubman Jumbo Styptic Pencil features a large, easy-to-hold size, which makes it convenient to use. The pencil's formula is gentle on the skin, minimizing irritation, and providing a reliable solution for small shaving mishaps. Its compact design ensures that it can easily fit into your grooming kit or travel bag, so you're always prepared. Durability is another key aspect of this Styptic pencil. With proper care, it can last for many uses, making it a practical addition to your shaving arsenal. Its effectiveness in treating minor cuts and its ease of use make it an indispensable tool for maintaining a smooth, nick-free shave. Number 3. HUPBIPY Men's Nonstick Material Beard Apron. The HUPBIPY Men's Nonstick Material Beard Apron is a fantastic addition to any grooming routine, especially for those who prefer a clean and tidy shave. This apron is designed to catch hair clippings and keep your sink area clean. Made from non-stick, waterproof material, it ensures easy cleanup and prevents hair from sticking to the fabric. The apron features adjustable neck straps and suction cups that attach securely to your mirror, providing a hands-free grooming experience. The large, wide design covers a significant area, making it highly effective in trapping stray hairs. Its lightweight construction and compact design make it easy to store and carry, perfect for home use or travel. Durability and functionality are the key highlights of this apron. The non-stick material is resistant to water and hair, making it easy to wipe clean. If you're looking for a practical solution to minimize mess and keep your bathroom tidy, the HUPBIPY Beard Apron is a great choice for achieving a hassle-free shaving experience. Number 4. Proraso Post-Shave Stone Natural Alum Block. Coming in at number 4 is the Proraso Post-Shave Stone, also known as a natural alum block. This product is a classic aftershave treatment that soothes and protects the skin post-shave. The alum block is made from natural potassium alum, which has astringent properties that help tighten pores and reduce redness. The Proraso alum block features a simple yet effective design. Its solid form is ideal for direct application to the skin, providing a cooling sensation and immediate relief after shaving. The alum block also acts as an antiseptic, preventing infections and promoting skin healing. Its long-lasting nature ensures that it remains a valuable part of your shaving routine for an extended period. Its effectiveness in calming irritated skin and its natural composition make it a standout choice for those seeking a traditional and reliable post-shave treatment. For a refreshing finish and skincare post-shave, the Proraso Post-Shave Stone is a superb addition to your grooming collection. Number 5. Nincha Manual Razor Travel Case Portable. Number 5 is the Nincha Manual Razor Travel Case, designed for those who need a secure and portable solution for their shaving needs. This travel case is crafted to protect your manual razor during transit, ensuring it remains clean and undamaged. Made from durable materials, it features a sleek, compact design that easily fits into your luggage or toiletry bag. The Nincha Razor Travel Case is equipped with a secure closure system that keeps your razor safely enclosed. Its interior is lined to prevent scratches and damage to the razor's blades. Additionally, the case is lightweight and easy to carry, making it ideal for frequent travelers or those who want to maintain their shaving routine on the go. Durability and practicality are key features of this travel case. Its sturdy construction and thoughtful design make it a reliable accessory for protecting your shaving equipment. If you value convenience and protection for your manual razor, the Nincha Manual Razor Travel Case is an excellent choice for your travel needs. Number 6. Viking Revolution Steel Shaving Soap Bowl. At number 6, we have the Viking Revolution Steel Shaving Soap Bowl. This shaving bowl is designed to enhance your lathering experience by providing a durable and stylish container for your shaving soap. Made from high-quality stainless steel, it offers a sleek, modern look while being resistant to rust and corrosion. The Viking Revolution Shaving Soap Bowl features a non-slip base to keep it steady during use. Its wide, deep design allows for ample space to create a rich lather, while the smooth surface ensures that soap is evenly distributed. The bowl's sturdy construction ensures longevity and resistance to everyday wear and tear, making it a reliable addition to your grooming kit. Its effectiveness in lathering and its stylish appearance make it a great choice for those who appreciate both function and aesthetics. If you're looking for a high-quality shaving bowl that combines durability with a modern design, the Viking Revolution Steel Shaving Soap Bowl is a top contender. Number 7. Linkidea Safety Razor Holder Stand. Finally, we have the Linkidea Safety Razor Holder Stand, a must-have accessory for any shaving enthusiast. This stand is designed to keep your safety razor securely in place while allowing it to dry properly between uses. Made from high-quality materials, it features a sleek, sturdy design that complements any bathroom setup. The Linkidea Razor Holder Stand is crafted to accommodate various razor designs, ensuring compatibility with most safety razors. Its base is weighted to prevent tipping, and the holder is designed to keep the razor head elevated, which helps maintain blade hygiene and prolongs the life of your razor. The stand's elegant finish adds a touch of sophistication to your grooming area. Durability and functionality are key benefits of this razor stand. Its solid construction and thoughtful design make it a valuable addition to your shaving routine. For a practical and stylish solution to keep your safety razor organized and in good condition, the Linkidea Safety Razor Holder Stand is an excellent choice. Thank you for tuning in to our review of the 7 best men's shaving kits for a perfect shave in 2024. We hope this guide helps you find the ideal products to enhance your grooming routine. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and tips. See you next time.